You are probably interested to know more about what affiliate marketing really is and whether building an affiliate company would even help you quit your job and create more freedom in your life. Hi, Albena here. I'm an affiliate marketer for a couple of years now, and in the next couple of minutes I will share with you what works for me. I partner with great companies producing brands and services that I love using myself, and only when I have experienced the product or service I market it. All the other parts of the business, of a traditional business, you would usually have like fulfillment, product development, human resources, customer services. That's all the job of the company I partner with. All I do is match this valuable product that I love using myself with people that can benefit from it. So once people buy this product through my marketing channels, I get a commission, and this is how simple this affiliate business model is. This is why it's very suitable for beginners, as I was back then with no business experience at all, my own product, or even having an initial capital. To get started with affiliate marketing is a laptop, a good internet connection, and willingness to learn the skill of authority marketing. Now, what is authority marketing? I will explain in detail. So the first step of authority marketing is finding who do you want to serve, or in other words, what problems do you like to solve? What need do you want to satisfy? So would you like to inform people about the climate change? Would you like to provide healthy nutrition for pets? Would you like to provide trips, motorcycling trips, ideas, adventures, you name it. You can choose any niche, any market you like. You can create an affiliate business out of it. It all depends on what your interests are, your passions, your current skills. So marketing products that you are naturally interested in is a lot of fun, because it is like talking to a friend. It's about sharing your own experience with those products and services and how they have improved your life and how your friend will also benefit from them. I promote educational services on online business and personal development. Why? Because I've always been fascinated in how technology impacts our lives and our ability to change and grow. So my affiliate marketing business stimulates me actually to develop my interests further and do exactly what I love doing. So, if you're in the same space I was back then, stuck in an unfulfilling job in a slow bureaucratic corporate world, I would definitely suggest you give affiliate marketing a try. The free workshops I'm sharing with you on this page are a good place to start. They will walk you through the steps to set up your affiliate marketing selling systems and toolings in place to get you jump started. You will learn, for example, about the benefits of high ticket quality products and ways to get traffic to your offer without cold calling people, being annoying, selling to friends and family, or having to post on social media all day long. I'm proud to share that I made my first sale just 3 months after I started building my business, and that around my job, full-time job at that time, with a busy family life with 2 children. And I'm not an exception with these kinds of results. I see it time and time again in my affiliate entrepreneurs community. As my mentor Stuart says, if you can make 1 sale, you can make 1,000 sales. The unique power of the online business is that you do not need to put 1,000 times more effort to make 1,000 more sales, because we can leverage the technology. We can automate and scale our businesses in a matter of clicks, and hence the potential for creating passive income. To be completely honest with you, I could only become profitable so quickly thanks to the education and mentoring I received. I found that my success is not so much a product of having the right information, but it is more a product of developing a leadership mindset. The information is out there, already available on the internet for free. But what is not available out there are the experienced mentors that have done what you are trying to achieve already, and that can accelerate your journey with their experience, that can hold you accountable, motivate you when the going gets tough. And trust me, it's going to get tough at a certain point. So they can support you in developing your vision, in overcoming fears, in learning to deal with risks. Those things matter. Big companies know that. This is why big companies invest so much money in leadership education and MBA programs for their top management teams. And nothing wrong with MBA programs, only they're really pricey. They cost up to $50,000 or euros or whatever your currency is. And I got the same education with hands-on experience for the price of a gym membership. Whether you want to run this as a hobby to top up your income, or you want to create a full-time business out of it and replace your unfulfilling job with something you truly love doing, with something that you're proud of and gives you freedom, it is all possible. I recommend you start learning the fundamentals of any online business by subscribing to the series of free educational workshops on this page, and I'll see you on the other side.